Hello friends, first of all thank you very much for following, for liking, for commenting and for the subscription of these videos. So the videos which are available on this YouTube channel are mainly related to the advanced diploma in industrial safety, then chemical engineering, thermodynamics and some other topics. While reading the comments and some of the mails and the phone calls from some of the viewers related to the future videos, as well as some request from the viewers, and that is why for answering all these suggestions, for all these questions, for all these comments, I am preparing this video. So the first answer for these future videos related to the industrial safety are behavior based safety, that is under management, then plant layout, design and housekeeping, thermic fluid heating operations, electrical hazards at workplaces, safety aspects in engineering industry, safety in textile industry, safety in agro industry or sugar industry, and safety in dock operations. When we are talking about the safety industries, so these are the videos that I would like to add on the YouTube channel. Then as far as safety is concerned, that these are the videos which I'm going to prepare in near future, that is safety in the construction industry, cooperation operations, connected with, then general safety measures at ground level portion, special works, project management in construction safety, safety in use and handling of special precautions for work of engineering construction, etc. As far as the safety in chemical and petrochemical industries are concerned, the list of videos which are going to add in near future are enhancing safety in the chemical industry, specific safety measures for paint industry, petroleum industries, pharmaceuticals, chloroalkali and some other industries. Then precautions in process and operations involving explosive, flammable, toxic substances, dust, gases, vapor, cloud formation and combating. Then safety in receiving, storage, handling of chemicals, nitrogen blanketing of flammable liquid storage tanks and chemical compatibility concepts with examples. So all these topics are related to the safety in chemical industries. Then some additional topics, that is transportation of hazardous material, safety precautions for transporting hazardous, toxic, flammable, radioactive substances by all modes, then pigging operations, then cathodic protections of underground pipelines, safety in plant relief and operations, atomic dispersion modeling, runaway reactions and control methods, Dow fire and explosive index, salient features of fire, explosive and toxicity index, then pressure vessels, pressure system hazards and corrosion causes and protections. Then under environment management field, the topics are Environmental Protection Acts and rules, Public Liability Acts and rules, principles and practices for monitoring of air pollution, water pollution, solid waste management, cleaner technologies, ambient air quality, stack monitoring and effluent monitoring. Key elements of ISO 50001, paper saving measures, life cycles assessment, product stewardship and green supply chain. Then as far as the safety, health and environment legislation is concerned, some of the rules or the acts are Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Cess, 1996 Act and 1998 rule, then Environment Protection Act 1986 and rule, then some of the sections pertaining to SHE in Indian Boiler Act 1923, latest CEA guidelines, hazardous material transportation rules, static and mobile pressure vessel rule 1981 and amendment in 2000, Dock Worker Act 1996 and rules, Employee Compensation Act and rule, ESIC Act and rule, Contract Labor Act and rule, Public Liability Insurance Act and rule, Responsible Care Concept, Motor Vehicle Act and rule and their amendments, in Central Motor Vehicle Rules and amendment, Maharashtra Motor Vehicle Rules and transport of hazardous goods by road. So these are the contents of legislation. Then under industrial hygiene and occupational health, ventilation and heat stress, industrial lighting and illumination, high volume sampler, occupational health, adverse health effects of vibration, cold, heat stress, thermal radiation, ionizing and non-ionizing radiation, then introduction to ergonomics, physiology at work. So these are the contents which I am going to prepare in the next month, and they are going to convert it into videos. As far as the chemical engineering section is concerned, I am going to prepare mass transfer operation topic videos, that is distillation, diffusion, extraction, gas absorption, drying and crystallizations. So the fact is that some of the videos are lengthy and all the videos are in English language, because as far as the industrial safety, fire and safety, the diploma, advanced diploma, post diploma, all these courses are concerned, all these courses are professional courses, and that is why these videos are prepared in English. As we know that many of the concepts, many of the legislations are vast in the elaboration, and that is why these videos are having more than time in most of the videos. But as the viewers are requested, videos in a short time and explain all these concepts in a short time in Hindi language. That is why whatever that videos available on this YouTube channel, I am going to convert it into Hindi language and try to convert these videos, try to re-record these videos in a shorter time. That is the main motive. Thank you.